Hey again, this is Jared, and I'm going to continue with this reattaching this garbage disposal. Okay, so here's what I was doing in the last video was trying to get this gasket on here, and I think you can see it. I got it on. It's not that big a deal, but I just didn't want to sit there and make you watch it. But I got that. It's kind of a lip that goes over that outer flange. Okay, and then this white collar, and I guess you call that a gasket too. That was on here when I originally took it off, so that's the way that's going to go. And then you just tighten this up. But I want to. I don't know what the best way to do this. I'm going to move the camera here. It's a little bit of a close up, but it's the best I can do with the working area. So this is going to go in here, and then oh shoot, I forgot this. I got to take this off for a second. I'm not ready for that because I need this. Now this is the original one that was on here, and it's pretty good. I mean, there's a little hard water, whatever, but I'm just gonna keep my new one and throw it in my pile of, or my box of extra stuff for other projects that randomly come up. Okay, and then this will screw into both sides. Okay, so now I got to get this back on. Sorry, this back on there, and that'll tighten up once we're ready. Okay, so this isn't the most exciting thing, but let's get this now. I'm going to wedge this. There is kind of a space back in the unit itself to get this gasket really flush. You know what, maybe I'll just forget about that for a minute. Get it in there. Really work it in, because obviously you don't want any leaks. Yeah, let's get that bottom end first. Come on. Okay, I think that's pretty good. This should tighten it up. Well, goodness. Come on, Jared. I know these videos can be boring to watch, but you can skip ahead if you don't want to watch me struggle with this a little bit. Just think there's fast speed play and some upbeat music going right now. Oh yeah, I can turn that. That might make it a little easier. Okay, I think I got that in there pretty good. Now I'll just screw it in. I'm going to start on the back side, since that's the harder side. Well, maybe I'll try to do both at once. Finger tight. You can't see the back one, neither can I, so hopefully. Oh, it seems like I'm having trouble getting the front one lined up. Come on. Okay. Goodness. I'm going to stick my head in here a little bit. Well, man, I know this is exciting to watch. So I guess I'll make a plug for my wife. If you appreciate this video, check out my wife's website. It's for Scentsy. That's what we do for a living. Believe it or not, I have quit my day job, which was not a plumber. But we built our Scentsy business. And good grief. I am not grabbing this screw. But anyways, her website, if you know what Scentsy is, you can check it out. If you don't know what Scentsy is, you can check it out. You might love it. Makes your house smell good. And the website is www.buyandsell.scentsy.us, and that Scentsy is spelled SCENTSY, like scent. Smell good. Smells good. I don't feel good about that. It's grabbing, but it does not feel like it was real easy to get off the other one. Let me just see if these. Come on, baby. Anyways, Scentsy. Oh, that reminds me of something, man. If you've never done one of these before, which obviously I haven't, yeah, that old one stinks. When you take that off, man, be ready to gag. It's nasty. Ugh. Well, I'm not sugarcoating this. I don't know why this is a challenge. Maybe I should use the new screws. I feel like that's grabbing, but I feel like it should not have that much trouble turning. At least not yet. It's barely in there. And now I'm having trouble. It seems like I can only get one of them to grab, and I can't get the back one to grab. Okay, let me try the screwdriver again. They're in there. I don't want to strip them, but I might. Because the ones that were in when I took the other one off, they were in like all the way. Gosh. Alright, I think I will stop the video because I'm sure it's boring. And I will struggle with this. I may get a wrench, turn that. That might be easier. But I'll continue with the next step. Okay, thanks for watching.